Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by isolating the line and confirming no pressure. This prevents sprays and makes removal safe. Once closed, drain downstream fixtures and open a tap to relieve residual pressure. Apply penetrating oil to the valve stem and joints. This frees seized parts and reduces breakage risk. Make sure you have an adjustable wrench, pipe wrench, and replacement ready at hand. You're now set to expose the valve body and begin loosening fittings without delay. You'll focus on breaking the valve free. Once the oil soaks in, tap the stem and bonnet to shift rust and mineral deposits. Then, apply two-wrench technique, one to brace the pipe and one to rotate the valve, so stress doesn't twist fittings. If the bonnet or body fractures, use a hacksaw or grinder to remove the broken portion carefully. Cut slowly and support the pipe to avoid bending. Once free, remove any remaining seat pieces and clean the mating surfaces for the new fitting. You finish by installing the new valve or a temporary cap. Make sure pipe threads are clean and use PTFE tape or pipe dope for a reliable seal. Hand thread first to avoid cross-threading, then snug with a wrench. Do not over-torque because that can crack fittings. Once installed, gradually restore water and watch for leaks at joints and the packing nut. If you see a persistent drip, tighten incrementally. If it continues, shut the line and reseat the connection. That's the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.